Hey, Relative Isabel here. I have gotten my anime girl kit, so for all you weebies out there, um, let me just maybe hide my address because I don't want to get swatted by random trolls. And then, oh my gosh, though, we're here. Oh, this is the webcam, the weeb cam, and it is so that I can transform myself into an anime grill by real-time scanning my face. And the beauty of Dwarf Fortress is I'll actually have the processing power to do that in real time. With Overwatch, it would be like lag, because I only have like what, a $2,000 computer. My like $2,500 computer got broken by customs, and I will never get over that. Oh, so let's make an even bigger mess in my room. Oh, yeah. So this is my 3D thingy. You don't need to see my address. And this says, here, let's hide that. It says, thank you. And this is from none other than the one, the only. She is a kindergarten teacher slash cosplayer. It's from Jen Nian. So this is to my significant other. I am sorry, but well. All right. Guess what's inside? Oh, everyone. if you are a non-bi or lesbian girl, you may want to stop watching because it's about to get steamy. Oh, let's not get any grease on this wonderful artifact. Oh, the craft dwarf's ship is of masterful quality. All right, this is Jen, and let's look inside. Um, all right. Here's one photo. Let's get better lighting. Ooh. All right, this lighting might be okay. All right, here's Jen. There's a lot of glare. That at the bottom. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right. Thick pages. There's oh, these are so someone thought this was a guy. This is actually not. This is not a guy. Although it was Nanomi who they thought was the girl, so I mean Nanomi is pretty girly. And here's RE0. Is it RE or RE? This is a good one. There's like isn't there more RE0? She had another RE0 one. Okay, this one is probably the hottest in the set. Does that not look hot? That is probably the hottest. And then this is, the one at the top is extremely hot. Wow. Wow. Definitely worth it. All right. Next, let's open that. Was there, was I flipping 2 pages at once? I don't think so. No. All right. This is meh. These are okay. This is Angry Jen. She's angry. And then, I don't know. This is too American, I think, but whatever. Whatevs. I haven't watched the anime that's from. Here's a swimsuit. I've never seen these photos. I've never seen these photos. And then, oh, did I show the bottom? There. My hand is in the way. And then next is, what is this? Is this Final Fantasy or something? What is this? This is nice photoshopping. That's a nice Photoshop. Looks very video gamey, video game-esque. Here's, what is this? Officer Caitlin? What is this? Officer someone. Looks, oh, very nice. Her face. Apparently she like does not wear makeup, but like, no way. How can anyone believe that? This is, what is this? I used to remember the name. It's definitely an anime. Is it High School D something? Or is it? That's not Love Live. No, that's not Love Live. I think it's High School D something. Okay, this is some sort of police officer person. Have not seen this anime. I'm pretty sure this is an anime. This one's nice with the hair. the hair. The hair looks nice. Oh, we're nearing the end. This is more hot photos. Who is that? Is that the same? It's a different person. Different person. Someone in blue. And then, oh, I think this is the last page. Woohoo! It's Amelia. That's Amelia. And then this is this? It's a, that is a guy. That's a guy. And then this is all crossplay. It's all crossplay. And then that's Amelia again. That's a nice Amelia photo. Too much glare, sorry. And then, so that's that. Wow! What a wonderful book. What a wonderful book. And now what I'm going to do is... now I'm going to install this and turn myself into an anime girl. Catch you later.